Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I want to show you a soft and simple clean girl kind of a makeup look that you can try out for your next date. So let's start the video by applying some rose water spray on my face so that my face feels fresh and tight. This works as a toner for me, so I apply this before applying a moisturizer on my face. Next, I'll apply moisturizer on my face, and this one is from Mamaearth. This is their rice water oil-free moisturizer. It gives a really nice glow to my face and the face feels really hydrated. For sunscreen, I'll apply this Neutrogena Sunblock cream. I really like the outcome of applying this sunscreen on my face because the face does not feel dry or too much greasy. It just adds enough moisturization, and I really like to use this cream because it does its work perfectly of protecting my skin from harmful rays, because I do not get burned or tanned after using this cream. Now for my base, I don't want to use any foundation. I'll just use a BB cream, and this one is from Sugar Pop. It also has 30 SPF, and this is actually a very hydrating and sheer BB cream rather than a matte one. I don't want to apply any foundation because I want my skin to see through, and he also doesn't like me wearing too much of makeup for a date, so yeah. So I'm not gonna apply this all over my face. I'll just apply it on the areas where I have dark skin and blemishes. And while blending this, I'll just spread the product to the rest of my face. First, I'll blend it with my finger, and then I'll use this sponge to smooth it out. Now after blending everything really nicely, what's left on my face is this beautiful glow, and my skin is also even out. But there are some dark areas in the inner corners of my eyes which I want them to be disappeared. So I want to use this corrector from Inside Cosmetics. The shade is Beige, and this is going to neutralize this dark gray areas. I'll use this small eyeshadow brush so that it fits into my inner corners. Sometimes we also have dark eyelids, so I'm gonna cover that also. Using a corrector is not a mandatory step for everyone, because if you do not have any dark areas on your skin, then you are good to go with a foundation or a BB cream. In the next step, generally I apply a powder to set my face, but today, to give this look a dewy and natural effect, I just want to apply some cream products, and I'll set my face later by using a setting spray. So the first cream product will be a cream blush, and I want to use this Flower Beauty blush bomb in the shade Nectar. This is an orange blush, and orange blushes are very trendy right now. In the tube it looks like a neon orange, but it looks really nice when you apply it, and I think this will suit medium to fair skin tones. If you want to have a very sheer blush, then this much is enough. But the best way to apply this blush is apply gradually. You shouldn't be applying a lot at the same time because this is a creamy product and it takes time to blend. I'll apply a little bit of blush here to give a lifted look. I'll also apply a little bit on my nose and kind of connect this area. So this is how it looks after applying the blush on both the sides. I really like this technique of applying blush for a fresh and soft look. In the next step, I'll apply this Swiss Beauty highlighter. This one is a primer actually, but it gives a really beautiful glow to the skin, so I use this as a highlighter. I'll warm up the product between my fingers and just apply it on the temple of my cheeks. See, isn't it beautiful? I just have to blend everything really nicely. So this is my way of applying highlighter. If I'm doing this makeup look for daytime, then I apply highlighter starting from here, because in the daytime when sunlight hits, this is the area of my face that glows. But if I'm doing this makeup for a nighttime event, then I apply highlighter on this area, on the very top of my cheekbone. Now before you saw me applying a lot of cream blush, but the pigmentation is now it is half of what it was before, because cream products are soaked into the skin, so after sometimes you lose some of the pigment. So to revive my blush and add some color back to my cheeks, I'll apply a powder blush. This one is from Sugar Cosmetics and the shade is Salmon Superstar. While applying the blush, I'm avoiding touching the highlighter because I don't want to lose the pigmentation again. And it's done now. Likewise, to make my highlighter stay long on my face, I'll apply a powder highlighter on the top of the cream highlighter I applied before. This one is also from Sugar Cosmetics and this is a champagne highlighter. A little bit of highlighter on the tip of my nose and on the bridge. So this is all I apply on my face for a soft, simple, get ready with me for a date kind of a makeup look. Now I'll just apply this setting spray from Faces Canada and I'll set my face with it. Next, I'll shape my eyebrows and fill them in with packed brow cream. My eyebrows look good. Now I'll just do a very simple eye makeup using one eyeliner and a kajal pencil. I'll use this Maybelline eyeliner to draw a wing line. Now I'll apply the same blush on my eyelids. Now on my lower lash line, I want to apply this olive green kajal pencil from Max Factor. Now for mascara, I'll use Rimmel 3D Lash Mascara. Now I want to line my lips with Nykaa's lip liner in the shade Chocolate Boy. Now to fill my lips, I'm going to use Rus Beauty's Oh So Luxe Liquid Lip Balm.